Snoring. Snoring, Mukadaipu, you are right, but what it is when you sleep, the muscles relax, and then there is a uvula in there, it falls in the passage, so not enough air is going. The sound comes because of the vibration. So it is a sign that your passage is not correct, so you need more oxygen. So the lack of oxygen causes tiredness, cardiac arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, and causes irregular heartbeat. You don't have enough adequate blood supply being pumped by the heart. So then the same thing. Rather, with a normal pumping blockage, here is no blockage, but not adequate pumping. The end result is only a poor blood supply to the muscle. So that